Hi, welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed about managing stage boundary process. In this video, let us look at closing a project process. So, let us understand this through the reference case, construction of a building. To construct a building, an organization has to invest only when there is a value seen in that investment. Basically, the investor or organization has to decide by justifying the investment. The principle continued business justification stresses on this requirement during pre-project stage, during initiation stage and throughout the project life cycle by creating business case. Checking and confirming throughout the project life cycle by applying business case theme mainly and rest of the themes as applicable. Here, justification would be the value of rent what is received after construction of a building, which can be earned as a value by constructing this building. The processes mainly applicable for creating business case are starting up a project process and initiating a project process, whereas monitoring, managing and updating the business case is done by directing a project, controlling its stage process, managing stage boundary process and closing the project. Based on the principle learned from experience, the reference to past experiences from the previous construction project and the currently running projects are considered to update business and associated products throughout the project life cycle. The principle define roles and responsibilities, provide necessary guidance to define an organization structure by applying organization theme, which is very critical as this depicts the layer of organizations, that is directing, managing and delivering layer of organization structure, where the board of an organization investing on it can be corporate program management or customer to whom the project board is accountable. Similarly, project manager who looks after the management of a day-to-day construction of building and team leader looks after the construction. Further, the principles manage by stages, manage by exception, focus on products are followed while applying themes, plans, quality, risk, change and progress throughout the project life cycle. For construction project, a floor can be staged with 10 feet height. If there is any variation in the height, for example 9.5 feet or 10.5 feet in actuals, an exception occurs, which has to be managed based on manage by exception principle. Focus on products principle highlights about walls thickness, height, width, etc. of the wall and similarly for floor, roof, doors of the building. The principle tailoring to suit project environment, which basically focuses on environment where project is delivered, considers the dynamics associated with the environment. In our case, if the building is constructed in open environment where there are no disturbances of traffic, etc., versus in the middle of the city where the traffic is high, various different business houses will be functioning, which causes the disturbance to them, then there will be impact on the project aspects accordingly, that is on scope, time, cost, quality, risk and benefits, which are defined and handled according to the environment considerations. This concludes the PRINCE2 video tutorial. I hope you are confident to apply the best practices of PRINCE2 for the projects in your business environment. Further, if you have any query about any topic, post the queries in our discussion forum. The link is given below. We will be happy to help you anytime. Thank you. This is Chandra MR, CMR signing off.